I'm going to actually be fixing my Leaf's driver's side front speaker went out. I'm pretty sure it's just a loose cable or something simple, because I want to say I replaced the speakers when I got it, because I kind of always do that with cars. But if I didn't, I don't know. I got a couple speakers in the garage, so let's get to it. And check out the bars. You know what I'm saying? Know your car. Just gonna go ahead and start up here in the door handle. There's a little panel here. It might be a better spot to pop it out from, maybe from the bottom here. There we go. And then that's gonna reveal a 10mm, so let's go ahead and pop that off. Let's see if I can just pop this off. Yeah, look at that. You can pull back the plastic or the fabric on it, and maybe alright, so after we pop off the bolt up here, there's this panel right here, and I'm just gonna get a little pry tool and apply pressure till it pops. And then looks like it just slides out from right there. Then you can bring out the plug, 3 plugs there, and you can just unplug those real quick. Alright, so you have a 10mm right there, and then you got another 10mm right there. You can get off with either a wrench or a screwdriver. So as you can see, after you get that bolt out, you can just kind of pry this off with your hands. There we go. Wow. It's as easy as it should be. Nope. Just slide right on out. That is exactly how it should be. So this has got some cables for your door lever here, and we're just gonna go ahead and leave those attached. And it looks like I did not actually change these speakers at all, and the cable is here. Let's see what's going on here. That's weird. I've never had a speaker just straight up stop working. I'm going to reconnect the battery really quick and just play with the settings and make sure that I'm not tripping, because I thought I replaced these, and so I figured maybe a little ghetto wiring, but these are completely stock, so plug's intact, and there's no evidence of any rodents chewing at anything up in here, so it'd be funny if like the fade settings are just off. That would be hilarious. Alright, let's just take a look here. So I'm for sure not getting any sound out of this thing. I got the microphone right on top of it. There's no audio coming out of this. The plug is intact. The plug is intact. The wiring is not loose. Let's check for corrosion, I guess, would be the next. I don't know how to turn off this Alright. Yeah, nothing going on with that. Let's just take off the speaker real quick. So we got three 10 mils on here. Oops. Weird speakers. Right away though, I am seeing what appears to be water. And I mean, how is water getting in? I guess this right here could be. It's got water right there. So I wonder if this got shorted out. I don't know if that's possible. I really don't know anything about audio, but these are weird looking speakers. How can I test this out? I guess I can just tap into these wires in the back here. This wire has water on it. I wouldn't doubt we got some sort of water leak short issue here, if that's possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and Google that, make sure that that's the thing, and then figure out a way to test these speakers here. I'll actually more likely just test the plug. You know what? I spent the last 5 minutes looking for a speaker. I can just take that speaker off on that side, and honestly, if I'm gonna be riding around with just one speaker for a while, I'd rather have that speaker on this side anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that off. The only difference with that side is it's only gonna have one plug because it doesn't have all the other plugs that would be for the driver to use. So I'm just gonna do that real quick, and when I come back, I'll have the speaker. Alright, just like that, I got that taken out. Took me about 2 minutes. Let's go ahead and pop this on here right quick. There's a little bit of water on this speaker too, but it looks like this ring is actually doing a better job than the other one did. Let's pop that in there. Make sure that this is our problem. I hear something coming out of them, but it's not the... let's check the settings here again. So there we go. So we're for sure getting a signal out of here now. Let's just double check that we weren't being whoops. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can get I'm gonna see if I can get another speaker from the back or something and just run 2 front speakers, because I don't ever have nobody in my car, so let's look into that right quick. Alright, so we're in the back now. I assume I can apply the same technique to the back speakers as I did the front ones. So let's assume that there's an easy to pop out little dealy back here. Yep. Let's assume that this back piece right here pops out. Yep. And yep, we got a 10 right there and a 10 right there, so same deal. Now, I might as well take off the one in the I'll just take this one out and then do the other one off camera like I did already. Don't just have covers that come off. There we go. Yep, same speaker. Oh shit. Well, hopefully that's easy to put back in. It looks like it. Maybe I should have just done that. That was a quick release. Alright, let's get these installed. Let's see if we can do it one-handed. Alright, do another quick test. Set all the way on the left. I think that might actually be alright. No need to take off this other one. If you think about it, your ears are going to be, as a driver, your ears are going to be picking up this side more probably, because you're going to have this side just blasting towards you and the door right there. I think that's a good idea. So get this all put back together. The process is the same, just reversed. Alright, so we'll get this back together. The process is the same, just reversed. Do one of these. Boom. Bam. Alright, sick. Let's do one last little... Oh, forgot that piece right there. Can't turn the car on without that in there. Oh, fuse panel, because I thought maybe there's like a fuse issue or something. Just in case. Alright, whatever. Do another sound check. Good to go. Alright, so today we learned speakers can short out. If you didn't know it, now you know. Finally get started on what I wanted to do. So let's get to that before it gets any later. Alright, so tomorrow I'm going to be swapping over the bumpers. As I mentioned in another video, I'm going to be putting the blue bumpers on the B series wagon because it's more show orientated build, and I will catch you guys then. So thanks for watching. Catch you the next one. Peace out.